Hooked on Vaping, Health Risk for Teens.
I'm Griselda Cetino in the KTAR newsroom. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention calls it an epidemic. Vaping has become a major health concern, with a number of states reporting people getting lung disease after vaping, including right here in Arizona. I spoke with Dr. Karen Swanson with the Mayo Clinic in Phoenix about the health concerns of vaping among teens.
Teens' brains are very, very sensitive to nicotine. So very small doses of nicotine have the ability to cause things like addiction, to cause things like psychological unrest in a developing teen's brains.
Dr. Swanson recently worked on a major study that looks at toxic fumes that are causing some of the major health concerns we've been hearing about. She now worries about how vaping is causing teens to become addicted.
These patients are more than likely going to end up with an addiction problem, starting at a very young age, of which they're not even aware.
I also spoke with Dr. Kara Chris with the Arizona Department of Health Services about a statewide campaign they launched. It's called Facts Over Flavor, and it targets 9 to 13-year-olds.
What we learned in the focus groups was that kids don't like being lied to. And when we were telling them what was in the cartridges, and that there's cancer-causing chemicals, and that there's nicotine, and they could become addicted, that was information that they said would cause them to change.
With fruity, juicy flavors, vaping is so sweet. But what's really inside this puffy treat? Chemicals fill all those pods, pens, and packs. Isn't it time we stop sugarcoating the facts?
In the next part of our vaping series, we're going to look at a number of solutions being proposed to get teens to stop vaping or to never start vaping in the first place. Head to KTAR.FM for more of our coverage of vaping among teens in Arizona.
Here's our top story.
KTAR News, 92.3 FM, Arizona's news station.